Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about new scenario in DAX. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding on different technologies like SQL Server development, performance tuning, Power BI and DAX, and integration services. Now we'll go to the Power BI desktop. There you can understand today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report. I'll try to explain what are the steps I have followed to design this report and all. So basically here the requirement is very simple. So here we can see that one slicer and three table visuals so here the requirement is based on the selection I need to display the respective column. Here we can see there are two values. These two values are different columns. I'll try to show you. For example, I'm going to the customer table. Here we can see that education category and occupation type. So these are the two columns, right? Same thing I'm trying to take into the slicer. So those two columns I'm trying to take into slicer. Based on the slicer selection, I need to display the respective column values. It means that, for example, if I select education, means I need to display the list of values under the education category, and when I select occupation, means I need to display the respective occupation values. It means that based on the slicer selection different columns I need to display different values, because for example if I add two columns means it will take some space. So instead of that I just pull all the columns in the slicer. Based on the column selection I am trying to display values dynamically in the table visual. Okay, so you can see that it's working fine. Now I'm selecting education. See, education means same thing, all our value coming fine, and I'm trying to click on and occupation, everything is come fine. So we're getting expected output. We'll try to understand what exactly I have written the logic. It's very simple. Go to the results. So try to zoom in. So here I have declared two variables. First one is education sale. So here I use the treats function basically. So here I'm trying to establish the virtual relationship like by using a treat as for the final selection tab as well as customer table. Again here also, because might will get a doubt what is final table. Let me go through that also. So click on final table. So here we can see that I'm trying to create some table by using add columns and finally making it the union and finally returning this. So this is the simple logic, because I want to understand what exactly how many values for each column wise. So I'm trying to create a separate table. So this table I'm taking into the slice, right? So likewise again I'll try to go through that. So again in the final returning I'm trying to make a one if condition, if the selected value is education means I want to return this one. In case if it is occupation means I want to return this one. So likewise we have implemented. Maybe there are different ways also we can achieve instead of writing logic and all. So but I have implemented this one. So going forward we will try to make it better ideas and all. So I think that's all for today's video. We'll catch you next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you guys.